Hello, my name is Matt. I'm at the Seada booth at the ISE 2020. I would like to say a few words about our Genesis AV over IP. Genesis 265 is designed to transmit video and audio signal over 1 giga network, standard network. What it does support RTSP streaming, third-party RTSP streaming, so it can decode third-party cameras, as well like a 4K resolution. It supports H.265 compression technology, so it's a high quality of AV over IP. Supports as well KVM, and it may work as well. You can use it as well as a video wall controller, matrix switcher, or multi-viewer. Thank you, and if you'd like to get more information about our products, please visit us on Seada at www.seada.co.uk. Thank you.